Are you still learning technologies one by one, but struggling to get job calls? Have you completed Python courses, watched AI videos, learned cloud basics, yet you're confused about how everything connects in real world projects? Meanwhile, companies are rapidly adopting AI agents, cloud automation, DevOps, MLOps, and no code AI solutions. The reality is simple. Learning tools is not enough anymore. Companies want professionals who can build intelligent AI systems. Introducing AI Agentic with Cloud Live Simulators program, a practical hands-on learning journey designed for students, freshers, software professionals, and career switchers. No boring theory, no outdated content, only real-world implementation using live simulators and project-based learning. Phase 1, Python Fundamentals. We start with Python fundamentals. You will learn variables, loops, functions, OOP concepts, file handling, and automation basics. Python is the foundation of every modern AI, cloud, and DevOps solution. Phase 2, Python Flask API development. Next, you'll learn how to create APIs using Flask. You'll understand REST APIs, request handling, JSON responses, authentication concepts, and backend development. Because AI agents communicate through APIs. Phase 3, Generative AI. Then we move into Generative AI. Learn OpenAI APIs, Google AI Studio, prompt engineering, AI workflows, chatbot development, and MCP servers. You'll understand how modern AI applications are built. Phase 4, Agentic AI using LangChain and LangGraph. This is where things become exciting. Learn how to build AI agents that can think, plan, remember, and execute tasks. You'll work with LangChain and LangGraph to create intelligent multi-step AI systems using RAG. These are the same technologies used in advanced AI applications today. Phase 5, Agentic AI with Crew AI and Amazon Bedrock. Take your AI skills to enterprise level. Learn Crew AI for multi-agent collaboration and Amazon Bedrock for secure enterprise AI deployment. Build teams of AI agents that work together just like real employees. Phase 6, DevOps to MLOps Bootcamp. Learn how to deploy and manage AI applications in production. Understand Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, cloud deployment, monitoring, and MLOps workflows. Because building AI is only half the job. Deploying and scaling it is where professionals get hired. Phase 7, Build AI agents with 8N. Finally, learn how to build powerful AI agents without writing code. Using 8N automation, you'll create business workflows, AI assistants, lead generation systems, and automation agents. Perfect for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and business automation professionals. Exclusive bonuses included. When you join, you'll also get AI agent templates, 1,000 plus cloud and AI prompts, career level up program, resume building support, LinkedIn optimization, mock interview preparation, free AI tools, weekly AI bootcamps, community support. By the end of this program, you'll be able to build AI agents, develop APIs, deploy applications on cloud, work with DevOps and MLOps, create no-code AI automations, build real-world portfolio projects, and most importantly, position yourself for the next generation of AI and cloud careers. Limited seats available. The next batch starts on June 18th at 8 a.m. Complete program investment is just 12,000 rupees. If you're serious about building a future-proof career in AI, cloud, DevOps, and automation, don't wait until the market becomes more competitive. Register now. Call or WhatsApp 868-6988-042. Join Rise and Shine Technologies and start building real AI agent systems today. Your AI career starts here.